Fabric shaver, lint remover, lint shaver with 3 replaceable blades, sweater shaver, clothes shaver, fabric pilling remover, rechargeable fabric shaver for furniture, electric lint remover for clothes, scarf, quick and efficient fabric shaver. This fabric remover comes with 3 replacement 6-leaf blades and with powerful speed. The combination of high-quality blades and powerful motor will help you easily remove pilled, lint and fuzz balls from all fabric surfaces such as clothes, furniture, and bedding sets. Gives your clothes, scarves, gloves, plush toys, sofas, carpets, cushions, and quilts a fresh look in just a few minutes. Scarf no damage to fabric. Our fuzz remover has a built-in safety lock that protects your clothing from damage by automatically disconnecting the power and stopping the blades from turning when the protective cover is loosened. The stainless steel mesh cover with mesh of different sizes to handle almost all sizes of lint. Remove fuzz without damage. Number 2. TEEHO Smart Lock Keypad Door Lock with Handle, 6-in-1 Fingerprint Door Lock for front door, Bluetooth app control, easy installation, IP54 waterproof, matte black lightning fast fingerprint door lock. Our smart lock's 360 degrees biometric sensor recognizes fingerprints in just 0.3 seconds, unlocking your door in as little as 1 second. Say goodbye to keys and fumbling with locks. Your finger is now your key, providing convenient and secure access to your home. 6-in-1 Smart Lock. Enjoy multiple unlocking methods with our digital door lock, fingerprint, IC card, app, PIN codes, keys, and even Apple Watch. Support up to 50 fingerprints, 250 PIN codes, share keys, and authorize administrator ECT. All you need is in one safe and secure smart lock. More to link description on YouTube. Number 3. Professional 2-in-1 Lens Universal Clip 37mm Mobile Phone Lens 0.45x49 UV Super Wide Angle plus Macro HD Lens for all smartphones through a multifunctional mobile phone adapter clip connected to the mobile phone. The shooting angle of the mobile phone can be expanded by 60% without any damage to the shooting image quality of the mobile phone. The lens adopts high-quality optical glass plus multi-layer optical coating, which effectively solves the defects of clear middle and blurry edges when taking pictures with external mobile phone lenses. The 49mm UV port ensures sufficient light transmittance, which not only ensures the brightness. Subscribe my YouTube channel.